Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JazzyAD. How are you guys all doing today? I know I look a little different. I have straight hair, you guys. You guys actually should have seen me with straight hair in my makeup tutorial on this look. So if you guys didn't check that out, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below for you guys. But yeah, anyways, today is about straight hair. I can't stop touching my hair. Oh my god, it's so soft, and I haven't had my hair straightened in a really long time. I usually don't straighten my hair in spring, summer. I really don't straighten my hair at all because I just don't like the heat on my hair. It just freaks me out because I have really long hair and I'm like, oh my god, like I already have to deal with like dead ends and stuff, so I get really nervous about putting heat to my hair. But anyways, today I just actually really wanted to plug a product for you guys. NUME hair kit that I've got. I actually got this during Christmas time because it was a really good price for it. Basically inside, you guys, you get a bunch of products. This actually, I believe, was only like $100, you guys, and I can't believe I'm saying that, but I'm almost positive I only paid like $100 for this. The holiday seasons, they run some really good discounts on their products, and I know what you guys are thinking, like, oh my god, only 100 and change. What kind of product is this? Is it even that great? Well, that's why you guys clicked on this, because I'm going to show you today how I use the NUME hair straightener. I didn't use the wand for you guys today, but I have used it in the past. It's actually absolutely amazing. Basically in here you get a wand and you get 3 different wand heads. It's like a small, medium, and large. You get a brush, which I don't use, so, but if you're a girl that blow dries your hair a lot, you can definitely use the round brush. And on the edge they give you like a straightening comb, which is one of those combs that like clasp the hair together and you like, you know, just straighten it. It also comes with a glove always. It comes in this really nice traveling case, which is really convenient. So easy for me to take it everywhere. I'm going to show you guys the straightener. I just used it, so it's really hot right now. It also comes with a rubber mat, which I have the straightener on top of. So all of this stuff is just really convenient for the price. I mean, like, you cannot beat the price of the product. You guys want to go ahead and see how I got my hair this straight and this nice high shine, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so all I'm gonna do right now is just comb through my hair. When I like to straighten my hair, I like to shampoo and condition the day before, and all I have right now in my hair is a moisturizer, a deep conditioner. One day I guess I'll show you guys how I do the process of doing my hair and stuff. My hair looks really crazy right now. But I'll definitely show you guys that one day. If you guys are interested, go ahead and like the video for that, and I will totally get to that for you guys. As well as when my hair is wet, I really like to put in this, it's KENRA Hot Spray Firm Hold Heat Protection Spray. I really like to put this stuff in my hair when it's wet. I know it does say that to spray it when it's dry and to sections and stuff like that, and I also do that when I straighten my hair, but I'm really crazy about protecting my hair against heat because I don't like to straighten my hair a lot because it causes a lot of damage. So I like to spray it in my hair when it's wet. That way it absorbs all of the goodness of this hot spray, and that way it's really protected. So it's kind of like my double way of protecting my hair. You totally don't have to do that when your hair is wet, but I do notice a difference. Just because when you do straighten your hair and you're spraying the heat spray, you get like that nasty steam as if your hair is like really burning, and I hate that feeling. So I always like to spray my heat spray the day before when I'm spraying all my other products in. That way I know it's already protected against the heat. So all I'm going to do right now is just part my hair down the middle. My hair is a little damp because I went to go work out and I sweat a lot when I work out. And you don't have to make this like a perfect part, as you guys can see. Like, I should really be using my mirror, but I'm being really lazy. So I'm just gonna go through and comb my hair out thoroughly. So my hair is pretty much naturally wavy, which I really love. I like to think that I have curls, but I don't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie off one section that I'm not gonna do right now. And then the other section, I'm just gonna be parting just a piece in the back of my hair. And the other part I'm just going to clip off. And like I said, I like to put the KENRA spray in my hair the day before, so technically I don't have to put it in my hair again. If I ever feel like my hair needs some extra moisture or nutrients, I do like to spray it again, because as you guys can see, my ends are really dead. I have to cut my hair soon, but that's not what this video is about. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just spray off the section. I'm gonna take the spray really far away and go ahead and spritz that. I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair into a little section, and then I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. So as you guys can see, it gives you like a really nice straighten. I could run through my hair probably once and be fine with it, but of course I'm gonna run through it twice because that's just what girls do. We just like overcompensate for what a product is already doing, so it's all right. It's all good. So I'm gonna go ahead in. And as you guys can see, like I said, you don't get all that crazy smokiness. So I just want to pause from all the fast forwarding really quick, so I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but the KENRA spray is also, in addition to the heat protectant that it is, it's also a hold spray. So when you are spraying it, it's actually pretty sticky, which is great because it actually has like a little bit of like hairspray properties to it, so that way it holds your style a little longer, which is what I really love, because it's like when I straighten my hair, it does get a little frizzy here and there, so it's really nice to have that hold aspect, because then you know your hair is going to stay straight. So now that my hair is pretty much straight, and I'm just going to go ahead and comb through it, and then I'm going to go ahead and part it as I normally would. One of the main reasons why I like straightening my hair down the middle is because when I actually part it and put my hair to the side, there's like a nice volume there. Mom, I'm recording.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you was combing your hair. Smells like somebody ironing clothes.
Yeah, Mom. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's such a nice shine to my hair. It's all nice and straight. My hair is really long, by the way, you guys. I totally need to cut it. And I've actually been thinking about showing you guys how I cut my hair, because I kind of been cutting my hair myself recently. There's nothing wrong with going to a hairdresser and cutting your hair, but every time I go, they just cut so much hair off, and I get it, like my hair is dead, but you don't have to like leave me bald, because if there's anything with girls with really long hair is that we hate cutting our hair. As much as we're like, yeah, we need to cut our hair, we don't really like it. So this is pretty much it. This is the end result. I really like the NUME straightener. I thought this was a really cool video to do for you guys, just to let you guys know that there's other options out there for you, and there's also really good buys out there for you. Like I said, the package comes with the hair wand as well, so I just thought it was really good. It's like a really good buy, because not only are you getting a straightener, you're getting a wand with 3 different heads to it. So, but yeah, this is pretty much what it is. This is just my hair straightened for you guys. I wish I had a setup where you guys can actually see where my hair ends, but my hair is pretty long. I definitely need to cut it. So if you guys want to see a video of me actually showing you guys how I cut my hair at home, go ahead and thumbs up this video. Definitely comment down below any other hair products that you guys like to use. Let me know different KENRA products that you guys like to use. I really like her brand. I just don't know what to try, and I don't know what would be good for my hair. So, you know, if we share the same hair type, or you guys have used her products before, go ahead and let me know down below. And also, if you guys are really feeling this makeup look that I got going here, I will link the video down in the bottom box below. So go ahead and check that out, you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe as usual, you guys, and thank you so much for watching.